Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Specific Kitchen. Today we are going to learn about how to make lemon cupcakes, and here are our ingredients. So we have butter, caster sugar, eggs, flour, some milk, some lemon juice, lemon zest, baking powder. And we're also going to need this cupcake tin, the cupcake holders, and the spoon for scooping. So now we are going to start by beating our caster sugar and butter. Always make sure that you scoop everything so that they can mix well. So our butter is fluffy. Now you can add in the eggs. And the reason as to why I like using caster sugar is because it has smaller particles as compared to the normal sugar, though you can use the normal sugar. Now it's time to add our eggs one by one. So guys, we're going to mix in the flour and the baking powder. Then we're going to add it into the mixer bit by bit, mixing into the lemon juice, the milk and the zest. I'm going to mix the flour and the baking powder just for it to get some air. So guys, after dusting our tin, it's time to fill it in with the cupcake papers. Always make sure the cupcake holders have sat at the bottom part of the tin, like so that the bottom part of the cupcake can cook well. So now let's add in our butter inside the cupcake holders and put them in the oven. So using a skewer, I'm going to just stir around and get rid of the air bubbles, and this will also give the butter a smooth surface. It's going to get leveled nicely. Our cupcake batter is now ready. Now it's time to put it in the oven. I had already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So I'm going to set the time at, let's say, 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how fast they cook. Our cupcakes are now ready. It's time to let them cool down a little so that now we can ice them. Hi guys, welcome back to our second part of the video. Our cupcakes are already cool. Now it's time to decorate them. If you watched this video and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly go like, subscribe, click on the notification button so that you can get notified every time we post a video. Until next time, bye!